We begin with the Coin 6 News health alert. Officials at a local hospital warning of possible patient exposure to the hepatitis C virus. Now, they're not revealing how many people could be affected, but they're blaming a former employee for this health scare. At 5 o'clock, good evening, everyone. I'm Jeff Gianola.
And I'm Kelly Day. Thanks for joining us. Now, all of this happened at PeaceHealth Southwest Medical Center. That's in Vancouver. Hospital officials say they are working with the Clark County Public Health Department right now to determine the scope of the exposure. Lisa Balick is live at the hospital now, where a news conference ended just a short time ago. What'd you find out, Lisa?
Kelly, hospital leaders tell me that they suspect a now former employee may have exposed patients to the contagious virus. It's the #1 cause of liver cancer. They believe the hepatitis C virus could have been spread by that employee who left in March and is suspected of diverting drugs that were supposed to have gone to patients. Now, the hospital isn't saying how many people may have been exposed. Hepatitis C is a contagious virus that infects your liver. It can cause anything from mild illness to cancer. The problem is when you get it, you often don't know for months that you've got it. Now, the hospital leaders say they discovered a patient with hepatitis C back in 2012, didn't know how the patient got it, and through an investigation found this now former employee. Public health leaders say, though, there's no evidence yet there was transmission of the disease, but it could have happened through this employee possibly stealing drugs.
Taking a drug yourself and then using the same syringe to give whatever's left of the dose to a patient, or contaminating some other piece of equipment that the patient gets exposed to.
And again, we don't have evidence that this occurred. We don't know if that occurred here.
Now, the hospital will not say which department the former employee worked in. I found out it will be another 2 weeks, May 20th, when the hospital will finish an investigation and send certified letters to patients who may have received care from the former employee. The hospital says it will pay for blood tests, and if someone does test positive and they make the link here, they will pay for full care if necessary. But again, it's going to be another couple of weeks before they send notices out to patients letting them know. And they say if patients try and call tomorrow to find out could they have been exposed, they say we'll not be able to tell anybody until we finish our investigation in a couple of weeks. Live in Vancouver, Lisa Balick, Coin 6 News.